Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you some awesome tips for your MacBook. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. So guys, the first tip which I can give you is that about screenshot. As you know, in MacBook, the shortcut to screenshot is Command Shift 3. So it takes an entire screenshot. The best way to do this is just go to your system preferences, go to keyboard and just go in customize control strip, and in this you will find a command screenshot and just drag it and to your touch bar. So now as you can see that in my touch bar I have this screenshot. Just I have to press that touch bar key and it will capture that thing, and that's it, you get a screenshot of yours. So guys, the second pro tip is about screen recording. As you know, in MacBook we have an app called QuickTime Player. So just you need to open that app, and as you go, just go here up and see the files option. Now here you can see new screen recording, and as soon as you click on it, you will get an interface like this. And if you see, you can see your options here, like where to save it, for how much timer, and your microphone options, and all that you can find from here. The third tip is about Safari. Most people don't know of this. As you know, in Google Chrome, when we clear history, we generally clear the cache also. But in Safari, this is not easily accessible. So if you need to access this, just open your Safari, go to Preferences, and go to Advanced, and just check this. Check this box, Show Develop Menu in menu bar. And when you will see up here, you will see Develop options, and if you go down here, you can find the empty caches option. Just you can easily use a shortcut for it, and you can empty the caches. So guys, the fourth tip is about desktop management. As you can see that in my desktop I have images, music, films, screenshots, like it's all in a stacked manner. So if you also want the same this, just press the bottom right of your trackpad, and as you can see here I have checked use tags. See what if I uncheck this. See, as you can see, all the things have been scattered on my desktop, but if I want to check it again, just check this box, use tags. And as you can see that all my folders and applications are clustered in a manner. So guys, the fifth tip is about mouse pointer speed. When you buy a new Mac, generally the mouse pointer speed is very low. If you need to increase it, just go to system preferences, click on trackpad, and click on point and click. As you can see, the tracking speed I have increased till here. You don't need to increase all up to way the fast, but this works fine for me. So guys, the sixth point is about your volume control. We generally have volume control in our touch bar, but we should also add up here the volume control option. To do this, you just need to go to your system preferences, click on sound, and here you will find show volume in menu bar. You need to just check this button, and as you can see, I've got it right up here. So guys, the next tip is about the tab key. We generally know that tab key changes from one system to another when we press it. Like when I am pressing here tab key, look, it is not changing from search box. So if you need to move it, you just need to go here in keyboard, go to shortcuts, and click on use keyboard navigation to move focus. Now see, if I am pressing tab here, it's continuously changing its place. So guys, this point is going to be very important for you. Not every Mac user has an iPhone. So if you need to transfer files from your Android to your Mac, you need to for either use Share It or other sources. But the best thing which you can use here is Android file transfer. You just need to open your Launchpad, and here you can see Android file transfer. You just need to be connect through USB cable, and it will simply connect it so that you can transfer files at a great speed. Guys, the last point is going to be this application iChatMenus.app. As you know that we need to sometimes monitor the temperatures and the processes which are going through our computer. So I will give you the download link in the description below. You just need to click here and download this application, and from this website you can find all your processes going in your computer, like CPU usage, processes, memory, processor, through a very interactive medium of graph. I hope that you like this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you later in the next video. Till then, goodbye.